Hello and welcome to our SENG 637 Assignment 3 demo where I, Bhavya, together with Drew, Michael and OK will demonstrate control flow coverage of Assignment 2 test suite and then improving that coverage with the help of new test cases.
Hello, this is Drew, and here we're looking at the expand to include method of the range class. So as we had it from lab 2, you can see that the only one that's 100% is the method coverage. The other ones are missing one branch as well as one line. So if we go look at the code, we can see that the branch that's missed is when the range is null, as well as that line below it. So we have created a new method here. So if we go ahead and run this again, and then look at the coverage of the expand to include, we can see they are all at 100% now.
This is Michael Lee here, and here I'm going to look at the intersect method within the range class. So with the test cases that we have done in assignment 2, we achieved having all of it 100% coverage besides branch, which is at 87.5%, and complexity, which is at 80%. Now, if we were to look at the code upon analysis, basically what we have here is that we are missing one particular branch in this particular return statement. And the particular branch that we miss is under the condition when B0 is bigger than B1. So if we were to look at this, we have built a test case where we actually have the intersect with which B0 and B1 has reversed values, so that B0 actually has a bigger value with -6 than B1 with a -9. So if we were to actually run this particular JUnit test, we can actually see that we can actually increase the coverage to 100%. So if we were to look at the properties again for the intersect method, and there you go. All of the coverage metrics, instructions, branches, lines, methods, and complexities are now all at 100%.
Hello, okay here. I'll be taking us on the calculate column total method in the data utilities class. From assignment 2, we can see our coverage metrics for that particular method. We have a 75% branch coverage and 66.7% complexity coverage. Every other matrix has shown 100% coverage, so we'll be looking at improving the branch coverage and the complexity coverage. Now, looking at our code for that particular method, we can see that we have missed the branch if n is not equal to null. So we have written a test case to take care of this particular missed branch, where we have accounted for our end value being null. So I will just uncomment the code and run this test case. Okay, after successfully running it, I will check our coverage metrics again for that particular method. And as we can see, we have attained 100% coverage on all our matrices due to the test case we added. Thank you.
Hello, Bhavya here. Let's look at the coverage for the combined ignoring not a numbered method of the range class. First, we run the test from the assignment 2. Coverage is calculated. Let's look at the summary. So as we see, we are missing 16 instructions, 9 branches, 5 lines, and 6 complexity. Let's take a closer look at the method. As we see, we are partially missing some branches and some statements, and some of the branches are not even touched. To increase our coverage, in this assignment, we wrote 7 new test cases for this particular method. Let me uncomment this. And let's run the tests once again. Let us check the coverage now. As we see, the coverage is now 100%. Just take a look at the method again, and as we see, everything is green, which means everything is being executed successfully. I hope you liked our presentation. Thank you very much.